Exercise 8.4 question 5 part 5. Here you have to prove cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Now see, if you see these two sides, left hand and right hand, then here relation is with cos and sin to the cosec and cot. So in this case we need to convert this left hand side in the terms of right hand side. Means I need to convert this in the terms of cosec and cot. There may be several methods. I am using this method to solve. So starting with left hand side and keeping it in mind that right hand side is containing cosec A and cot A. Okay, so what I am doing here, dividing each term of numerator and denominator with sin A. Why? You will understand it very easily once we will write the relations. So I am dividing each of the terms with sin A. But we can't divide only the terms of numerator. The same operation is to be done with the terms of denominator also. So now dividing the terms in denominator. Okay. Now if you know cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. Correct. Also 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. So we can write this cos A upon sin A as cot A minus. Well, this sin A and sin A is cancelled, so it will be 1. 1 upon sin A, that is cosec A. Same thing we are going to follow for the denominator also. Cos A upon sin A is cot A. Plus 1 minus 1 upon sin A is cosec A. Now if you see, you got cot and cosec A on your left hand side of the given question, and the same things are given on the right hand side. Okay, so here we need to first relate these two, left hand side and right hand side, and then solve accordingly. Okay, now let us solve it further to get what expression is given on the right hand side. Well, if I see this one, it can be divided as, there is a relation between cot A and cosec A. Okay, and the relation goes cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. Okay, so I am going to use this identity. Cos square A minus cot square A is 1 here, so that I can solve it. Okay, so what I am doing first, I am rearranging the terms cot A plus cosec A. I am writing these two nearer and minus 1 here because I am going to put value of 1 afterwards. Now please remember, 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is also 1, but we are using only this identity here because the desired result is containing these terms. Okay, so after this, when I am putting the value, what I am getting? Here the numerator was cot A plus cosec A, minus 1 was there. For minus 1 मैंने वैल्यू पुट कर दिया है. दिस वैल्यू वॉज cosec square A minus cot square A, putting it in the bracket, divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now this cosec square A minus cot square A, here if you take this as A square minus B square, you can use the identity A minus B, A plus B. So it will convert in the form of cosec A minus cot A minus B. into a plus b, that is cosec a plus cot a. And the denominator is same. Cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Okay, now see why I did so. Because once I divided it in these two parts using the identity a square minus b square, this part is common. So I can simplify it further. Taking common, here we are left with 1 minus in the bracket cosec a minus cot a, divide by this cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Let us open the bracket and see this will turn into the same term as we are having in denominator. It will be one minus cosec a minus minus multiplied will give you positive sign cot a, and please check it is just like the term you are having in denominator, little bit rearranged. So the whole term will be cancelled out, and what are we left with is cot a plus cosec a, which is just like the right hand side of the given question.